Hi classmates, this is your classmate Jevi. It's November 8th. So it means ready na yung mga bonuses and we'll be sending them out. Now, balik tayo dun sa topic. Bakit nga ba kailangan mauna yung clarity before we take action? Well, kasi most people nagmamadali. They rush to build, to speed things up kahit wala pang clarity, ganun. Madalas na ending, they burn out. Like, hindi nila alam ano yung kailangan nila i-priority, ano yung kailangan nila i-focus, ano yung kailangan nilang matapos. At the same time, dahil minabadali lahat, they sacrifice things na very relevant sa kanila. Basic example is tulog. Pinakamadali siyang i-sacrifice kasi feeling natin sobrang dami natin kailangan matapos and hindi ganun kaimportante yung tulog. And we fail to realize na once na-sacrifice natin yon for the long term, sobrang laking impact niya eh. 'Di ba? Kamusta nga ba yung mga sumusunod? How's your body? Abundance, learning, attitude, network, calling, environment, and direction. Align pa ba sila dun sa goals mo nung nag start ka pa lang? Or ngayon mo lang ulit naramdaman na kailangan mo silang pag-isipan, na kailangan mo silang bigyan ng pansin? Another tool that we'll be releasing is yung Business Audit Lite for external direction. Ano nga ba yung mga bagay na pinaka-importante talaga sa atin and which matters most na maging ideally source of income natin na align sa atin? Ganun. What are the things you actually love? What are the things you're good at? What are the things that the world actually needs? And syempre, what pays well? So, once na-receive na sila, please start filling them out and chat nyo lang ako when you're done. Ideally, matapos sila before November 13 kasi babasahin natin sila individually. So, I'll have an idea kung ano yung mga pag-uusapan natin, ano yung coverage natin, ano yung expectations nyo for attending the session. And para masulit naman natin, di ba? Because I want to start with clarity as well. Direction matters more than speed. Hindi lang for goal setting, hindi lang para makuha kung ano yung pinapangarap natin. At the same time, para masulit yung mga resources na ginagamit natin. Money is one thing kasi pwede natin siyang kitain ulit. Pwede natin siya reimburse, pwede natin siyang utangin. However, the time spent, the energy spent, and the attention that you're putting here, I want to make sure na ROI. Di ba? Yan lang. Thank you so much. Live to level up, be a student, not a follower, be a good asker. Bye!